The focus of this module is really about how you can separate yourself from the pack of other candidates. There are going to be many people applying for and trying to get the same jobs that you're trying to get. So what can you do to make yourself stand out? Certainly you can prepare well and interview well and dress appropriately and make a good impression that way. But how can you really demonstrate that you're someone who's going to go above and beyond the other candidates? Well, in this module we're going to be talking about some of the things that you can do. You can do things such as creating a 30, 60, 90 plan, which is a plan that will sort of map out what you hope to accomplish in the first 30 days of your employment, then after 60 days of employment, and by the time you reach 90 days of employment. And I think that shows really proactivity, that you're forward thinking, and that you're going to be a problem solver and looking to get ahead and hit the ground running. You can also bring with you to an interview situation a portfolio, and we're going to be talking about portfolios in much more detail in the next video clip, as well as some of the module pieces that you're going to study this time around. So a portfolio is an excellent way for you to showcase some of your skills and abilities and to give some credibility to the things you say about yourself, because then you have things that you can use to prove it. Whether it's a letter of recommendation or it's an example of the work that you have done, your word is going to be backed up by evidence. So a portfolio can be an excellent tool to help you sell yourself in an interview process. And finally, I think you should be thinking about anything you can bring along to the interview to demonstrate that you have certain skills and abilities that they're looking for. In one job interview that I went to, for example, I created a mock-up newsletter for career services because I was trying to demonstrate exactly what I might bring to the table, and creating a newsletter might be one thing that I could do. So, you need to be forward thinking, and you need to be looking for the opportunity to try to separate yourself from other candidates. It's a tough job market, so you have to make sure you stand out for all the right reasons, that you're a qualified candidate.